Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Praj Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on Zari border tussar and some bafta also. So these are all silk mark certified which I'm going to show you. And before I start, I will notify to my customers and viewers that we have got some information that there is a guy who is running a Facebook page as well as a YouTube channel in my company name. It's a similar to my company name and misguiding to our customers and viewers. So it's a request to my customers and viewers, don't get into the trap, because some of my resellers and customers complain regarding the fraud also. So nowadays most of the people buy online, so it's very hard to trust all the vendors. So it's my request to my viewers, buy from the genuine vendors. Let's start. I will start with the sari number 1. So this is the sari number 1. As you can see, it's a black color. It's a jet black with the Pochampalli design. I'll show how it will come. So this is the sari number 1 and the price is, so this is the pallu as you can see, and this is the all over body. This is the all over body, full Pochampalli design, and see the pallu. I'll just show how it will look when you drape the sari. So these are all silk mark certified and pure tussar. So this is the all over look. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Blouse is plain. The price of this is 4950. Now, sari number. This is the sari number 2. It's a corner to corner design. It's a Rani base color. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the corner to corner design. This is the all over look. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the look of the sari. It's amazing color combination. It's the shades of orange, Rani and black outline, and this is the pallu. And there is a blouse. It's a Rani color blouse. Size number 2, 4950. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon whenever we upload the videos, so you will get the notification. So this is the sari number 3. It's a light deep peach color. As you can see, the border and pallu is a deep. It's a deep peach, and the base color is a light peach color with a geometrical pattern hand block print. This is a box design all over same, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. I'll just show how it will look when you drape. So each and every sari I will drape like this, so you can have a better idea about how it will look when you. So this is the look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse of the sari. Sari number 3, 4950. Sari number 4, it's a grey color. It's a base color, light grey color with temple black border is there. This is all over print which I am showing. So as you can see, pallu border and blouse is all jet black color, and this is the all over body. So this is the all over body. See the both side temple border, and this is the look. I'll just show how it will look. So shipping is free all over India, and COD facilities right now we are giving only on Kolkata. COD facilities only in central Kolkata. So this is the all over look, and this is the pallu of the sari, and here is the blouse. This is the blouse, 4950. Now the sari number 5, it's a light base color mauve and the border is purple color, not purple, it's a magenta with mauve color. It's a very nice color combination with magenta and mauve color. So this is a pallu and border, blouse magenta, and all over body the same floral print. Just see the combination, shades of green, shades of magenta. So this is the all over look of the sari. I'll just show how it will look. So booking process is very simple. Just take the screenshot of the sari and send it to the WhatsApp number. It's 8296897264. This is the look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and this is all over, and the blouse is as usual plain magenta color. 4950. Number 6, it's a brown color, base brown color with some rama green and grey combination, as you can see. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over body. This is the all over body, as you can see, and the blouse is same. It's a brown color. This is the blouse of the sari, and this is the all over same. This is all over same print. 4950. Moving on to the kalamkari print. It's a print, not a hand paint. As you can see, it's a base color. It's light, what can I say? It's a light ash color with black border, and with the combination of light sea green and rama green with the grey leaves. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. This is all over same. This is the pallu. I'll just show how it will look. These are all very unique color combination. It's all different shades we experiment, and so this is the all over look of the sari. This is the pallu. The blouse is black. So we take customized order also. If you like any designs and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order also. Again, the magenta and the base color is a natural virgin color tussar with rani and magenta combination. This is a different design of kalamkari. So it's a very fine, as you can see, it's a very fine work. Sorry, it's a print. It's a very fine outline throughout the sari with the rani and magenta color. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is all over same print. So it's a very pretty sari. So this is the look of the sari. Just show how to look, and this is the pallu, and the blouse as usual magenta color plain. 4950. Now again, light green. It's a kalamkari. It's a light green with the pallu border and blouse with the shades of light green and grey. This is all over same print. This is all over same print. Just see the pallu. I'll just show how it will look. It's a very nice color combination. We specialize on kalamkari print, so most of the time you always think why I always show the kalamkari So I love this print, so I experiment in different combination. So this is the all over look, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is as usual the same color, 4950. Now again the same design with the, it's a chutney green with the black border with grey leaves. It's a very pretty sari. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. This is the all over look. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And this is the look. This is the pallu, and the blouse as usual black, 4950. Bafta, it's a zari bafta. Bafta is a combined thread of matka and tussar, and it's a very good quality. Bafta is there is a lot of categories of bafta, but this one is the best quality. It's just like tussar. It's just like tussar. So this, the base color is a navy blue, and just see the color combination. It's very striking. Lots of colors are there: green, red, yellow, white. So this is the pallu. As you can see, both sides there is a striped zari border, 3 lines, and all over same print. This is a pallu, and amazing color combination. So I'll just show how it will look when you the sari. This is the, just have a look. This is the look. This is the pallu, and here's the blouse. The last sari of this episode, the same design, same combination, only the base color is green. Same color combination, the base color is only green. The previous one had a navy blue, this has only green, and all over the same zari stripe border both sides, and this is the all over look. So just show how it will look when you get the sari. Very pretty sari. Even the combination. So this is the all over look. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So whenever you upload the videos, so you will get the notifications. And the booking procedure is very easy. You just take the screenshot of the sari and send it to the WhatsApp number. It's given on the screen. It's 8296897264. And shipping is free all over India. It's a free shipping, and COD facility is only available in Kolkata. Please follow and keep share this video. Thank you so much.